find technical documentation on our Samsung HVAC website, simply navigate your browser to samsunghvac.com. From there, you can hover over the Training and Support tab. Move your mouse down until you see Technical Documents, and then click the link. From there, you'll see that our products are divided up into several subcategories. Single and multi-zone mini splits, our DVMS VRF series, our DVM chiller, fresh access ventilation products, controls, accessories, software, application bulletins, certification, service and technical bulletins, energy modeling, and then DVM Plus series, which is a discontinued product line. In this example, let's take a look at our DVMS series. Once we scroll down to DVMS series, we'll see that we need to make a choice on DVMS outdoor units 3-phase in 6-ton and higher capacities, DVMS Eco 208-230 single phase in 3 to 5-ton capacities, our DVMS water, or our various DVMS indoor units, as well as the mode control units and EEV kits, and DVMS commissioning files. All of these resources are available to you by navigating our site. Let's go ahead and take a look at our DVMS outdoor units, our 3-phase product lineup, which is available in 6 tons and larger. Once we select that, we'll have another choice to make, whether we want heat pump condensing units 208-230, heat pump condensing units in 460, heat recovery units in 208-230, or heat recovery condensing units in 460, followed by our max heat low ambient heat pump condensing units, in 208-230 and 460, our max heat low ambient heat recovery condensing units in 208 and 460. Let's go ahead and take a look at our heat recovery condensing units in 208-230 offering. Click the link. Once we're at this page, you can scroll back down, see an image, and see the accessories. For example, let's take a look at the wind hail guards. You'll see what they look like. You'll be able to find the installation manuals for the various guards, the submittals, and DWG drawings if you need them for your plans. Going back to the previous tab, we can see we have installation manuals available in English, French, Portuguese, and Spanish, submittals for the various product combinations, and technical data books, as well as application guides, guide specs, DWG drawing files, Revit files, service manuals, sequence of operation manuals, and technical bulletins, as well as exploded parts views. Let's take a look at an exploded parts view for our AM192. Here you'll see an exploded view of the equipment with numbers pointing to each individual component. As you find the image item that you need, you can scroll down. Once you're past the various images, you'll find schematics, and then you'll start seeing a parts breakdown based on the number from the image and the part number or material code and the quantity of them available in the system. Lots of great information you can get from our exploded parts view. Going back to our main tab, let's scroll up and let's find the installation manual for the product. In this case, we'll pick the English installation manual. That'll load up in a new browser or a new tab to our browser. And from there, we can scroll through, see the table of contents, and then start reading our installation manual, searching for any of the information that we might need. Another way that you might be able to find literature is to use the search icon in the upper right-hand side of the screen. Click on the magnifying glass and type in the part number or the model number of the product you're trying to find. hit enter, and find the results. Here we find the MIMB14, and again, installation manual, submittal, technical data book, and the guide specifications. When we click on them, we'll get another tab to open, and the document will be available for us to view. And should we want to download it, simply look for the download icon associated with your browser, and you can download the product wherever you need them to be able to print or keep them electronically for your references. This has been a quick overview of how to find technical documentation on our Samsung HVAC website, and please check into our YouTube channel for more information.
For service manuals and other documentation, please visit our website at samsunghvac.com or use our Samsung HVAC mobile app to download any technical documentation. Thank you.